Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you 5 websites in which you can make money online so that you can make your extra cash online. Okay, the first one is going to be a website known as Legit. Legit, you go to Google search and then you type in Legit, Legit, that is Legit. As you can see, it's loading my Legit account. You can see how it is loading. Okay, it has loaded. So in this Legit side, we have graphic design. As you can see on top of it, graphic design. We have SEO. We have SEO here. As you can see, we have backlink on SEO. On graphic and design, we have logo design, image editing, infographic, and also you can see in internet marketing. In this internet marketing, we have also video, audio, and music, programming, technology. It depends where are you suited or where are you talented in this Legit. So you can post your job there, and then the people will come and search, and then they will pay the job that you have posted there. The good thing with the Legit is that it is a freelancer, just like Upwork, but its services are at least more quicker, and you can get more customers there. It also has a variety of talented things such as video explainer and also graphic and designs. Okay, the next one is Konker, Konkper. It's also a freelance service here. It provided more services in which you can also make money on. On it, we have marketing. So you can see marketing here. We have also graphic and design. We have also SEO, programming and tech. We have also, if you are talented in audio production and mastering, we have also the service you can offer in audio and mastering. We have also video, and you can also in that video you can explain in that video. It has got a variety of jobs in which maybe you are talented in. You can also post it and fix it there. The best thing with Konker is you can just register freely, like in other services. You can register freely and then you click on login with your registration. Okay, number 3 is Upwork. Upwork, I know many of you have heard about Upwork. Upwork is also the best freelancing website in which you can make money, so you can cheat. In Upwork we have web develop, mobile develop, design, writing, marketing, accounting, all categories of Upwork. In Upwork we have many categories of job. We have sales and marketing, we have writing, we have design and creative, we have web, mobile and software, where you can create your writing and then post it to Upwork. Upwork is the best. I can say I've been using Upwork for the most of my time because Upwork charges 20% from the total earnings. Well, for example, if I earn $100, it charges 20% of $100, that is around 80%. So, for the beginner, I hope Upwork is also good. It works just like Fiverr, and also other websites. Number 4 is SEO Clerks. SEO Clerks, I've used it personally, and many of times I do recommend my students and those people who follow me on social media to try SEO Clerks. SEOCLERKS. SEO Clerks is a good freelancer where you can begin making a lot of money, a lot of income. So if you want to make money online, make sure that you try these multiple websites. So in SEO we have content writing, we have also programming, we have art and design. It's just like Upwork and also Fiverr. We have social network, guest posts. You can do whatever you want and you put it on SEO, and then somebody will order it, and then when the job is done, you will get paid. Remember, SEO also takes 20% of the total amount earned. And so, I remember I do tell my people that work hard, or hard work pays. So you have to try most as more services as possible, then you will make more money on SEO Clerks. Number 5 is Guru. Guru, Guru, Guru.com. Guru also has got, as you can see, programming and development. We have writing and translations. We have design and arts, administrative and secretariat. We have sales and marketing, business and finance. So in Guru, you can just post whatever you are talented at, maybe wait for the customer to come unto you, and then he gives you a job, and when the job is done, you will get paid on this freelancer Guru. For me, I've tried many, and I see just continuous working hard to make you earn more money. That's the thing with the Guru, is just as easy as Upwork and as easy as Fiverr also. You also 20% of the total earnings will be deducted for the website. So nothing is hard. You just believe you can make more money online. Just decide. Remember to smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell of the notification so that you can receive more videos that I have found online on how to make money. Good day.